Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your SKULLCANDY Jib True. Firstly, I recommended to perform a soft reset, so you need to put your earbuds to the charging case. Now your earbuds disconnected from your phone, you know it by the LED light here. After that, you just remove your earbuds from the charging case and check is it fixed. If it doesn't, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to remove your earbuds from the charging case, and at the back side, right here we have SKULLCANDY logo. This one is touch areas. Firstly, you need to press and hold touch areas for at least 4 seconds to turn off them. So you will see the red LED light. Here we go. After that, you release your fingers and then press and hold again for at least 10 seconds, until you will see that the LED light turn off. So press and hold. Firstly, turn on, then enter to prank mode. It's okay, just keep holding these earbuds. Here we go, we turn off them. Then you need to put your earbuds to the charging case. Now let's go to the settings on your phone, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and we need to remove them, and then we will add it. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget and forget, then remove your earbuds from the charging case, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we will see them at the device list, and you need to tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!